Welcome to episode 7 of the Health Series with IFMCH.
This week's episode is all about preparing for labour and the arrival of your baby.
Giving birth to a baby is a life-changing event, so preparation is key.
As you approach the baby's due date, ensure you have all the necessary baby items, including clothes, nappies, a cot, and so on.
Having a baby is expensive. Try to start collecting essential baby items from at least 20 weeks in to avoid any financial strain.
If you find yourself struggling, you can even ask family members for baby items they are no longer using. As long as these items are properly washed, this is fine.
Near the end of the pregnancy, try to remain active. The more active you remain, the easier birth is likely to be.
Maintaining habits to keep a healthy mind and body will help you tolerate labour pain more easily. Once you're in labour, it's important to keep a positive mindset and focus on the new life coming.
To relax yourself, both physically and mentally, try to take a warm shower before heading to the hospital.
Breathing exercises during contractions can also help manage the pain.
Finally, make plans for after the baby arrives. New mothers need support, so both parents should aim to share the responsibilities involved in taking care of the baby.
It's also developmentally important to bond with newborns. Both parents should create a caring environment and utilise this special time to connect with the baby. Pregnancy, labour, and taking care of a baby can be difficult yet amazing. It's okay to feel overwhelmed at times. Just try to stay informed on what to do.
You can speak to your GP or midwife regarding any concerns you may have. You can also contact us to speak to a consultant gynecologist and obstetrician to speak about your specific situation.